Walmart grocery pickup orders move faster when you place them earlier in the day because store fulfillment teams start picking items before peak order volume builds up. By the end, you'll know how to place Walmart pickup orders correctly, avoid missing items, and cut down the time you spend fixing substitutions or delays. Here's how to do it right. First, timing matters more than people think. Walmart stores fulfill pickup orders throughout the day, but early orders usually get better item availability because staff have first access to inventory before it gets picked over. Placing your order earlier also reduces the chance of last-minute substitutions. Second, build your cart carefully. Walmart's system allows substitutions when items are out of stock, but those substitutions aren't always the same quality or price range as what you originally selected. To avoid surprises, look for items marked as "No substitutions" if you want full control over your order. Third, use the app instead of the browser. The Walmart app keeps your cart saved in real time, which reduces errors when items go out of stock during browsing. It also makes it easier to edit pickup times if you need to reschedule. Now here's a step most people skip. Check your local store's pickup availability before building your full order. Not every Walmart location handles the same volume or has the same pickup slots, so availability can vary depending on demand in your area. Fourth, limit last-minute changes. Every time you edit your cart close to pickup time, the system has to reprocess your order, which can trigger delays or item rechecks. Finalizing your order earlier helps the store lock in your items faster. Fifth, pick a consistent pickup window. Sticking to the same time slot each week helps the system predict demand patterns and can lead to smoother fulfillment over time. The key idea is simple. Walmart grocery pickup is faster and more reliable when your order is stable, early, and clearly controlled from your side. To sum it up, early ordering improves item availability, careful cart setup reduces substitutions, and using the app keeps everything more stable and predictable. Next step is simple. Before your next grocery order, build your cart earlier in the day and double-check substitution settings, so you avoid last-minute changes. If you want more simple Walmart shopping and pickup tips, subscribe for clear breakdowns that help you save time every week.